Imagine managing your DB2 for z/OS databases without switching tools or waiting on manual processes. Introducing the database management for DB2 z/OS code for Z extension, a new way for developers and DBAs to work faster, smarter, and more independently. With this powerful extension, you can generate DDL schema definitions from the existing tables, ensuring accuracy and consistency. You can check the syntax of your DDL statements before executing them to catch issues early and reduce rework. You can confidently deploy schema changes without manually determining required SQL operations. And review the full impact of changes beforehand, then safely deploy changes after confirming them. If you need to clone an object for testing or prototyping, leverage a command to copy DB2 objects along with data and dependencies, all in just a few clicks. The result? A streamlined workflow where developers and application DBAs can self-provision DB2 objects, make and deploy schema changes, and drive the entire development lifecycle without ever leaving VS Code. Learn more and download the extension today. To explore Code for Z further, visit codeforz.broadcom.com.